Apple Cider Vinegar, or ACV, has become a household name for anyone curious about natural remedies, weight loss tips, or balancing blood sugar levels. The internet is brimming with claims about its benefits, but should you pour yourself a glass just yet? Before you add ACV to your daily routine, it's worth taking a closer look at what it can actually do for blood sugar management and what it can't. Before we continue, I'd like to tell you about diacetyl, a powerful blend of 13 natural ingredients, each carefully selected for their proven ability to support healthy blood sugar levels, enhance insulin sensitivity, and promote overall wellness. You can read more on diacetyl.com. Let's start with why ACV has become so popular in conversations about health. This humble pantry item is made by fermenting apple juice into alcohol, which is then converted into acetic acid by bacteria. Acetic acid is the key player behind its potential benefits. For blood sugar, the intrigue lies in how acetic acid interacts with your body's digestion and glucose metabolism. This interaction goes beyond simply delaying glucose absorption. It might also improve how cells use insulin, making it particularly interesting for those looking for ways to enhance their overall metabolic function. Several studies have explored ACV's role in reducing blood sugar spikes, particularly after meals. One widely cited study in 2004 observed people with insulin resistance who consumed 2 tablespoons of ACV diluted in water before a carb-heavy meal. The results? A significant reduction in post-meal blood sugar levels compared to a control group. Researchers theorized that acetic acid slows down the breakdown of carbohydrates, delaying glucose absorption into the bloodstream. This could mean smaller blood sugar spikes for people dealing with diabetes or pre-diabetes, and potentially a more stable energy level after meals. Another study in 2007 took a closer look at how ACV might help overnight fasting blood sugar levels. Participants who drank 2 tablespoons before bed experienced lower fasting glucose the following morning. These findings have made ACV an intriguing subject for researchers and a hot topic for those trying to manage their blood sugar naturally. In practice, this could offer an option for people aiming to stabilize their blood sugar while they sleep, contributing to more consistent levels throughout the day. It's worth delving into why ACV might work in these scenarios. The acetic acid it contains could influence the enzymes that break down carbohydrates in the digestive system, effectively slowing the conversion of starches into sugars. This delay means the body has more time to process glucose without overwhelming the system, which can be especially beneficial for people whose insulin response is less efficient. For anyone dealing with post-meal lethargy or energy crashes, this slower glucose release could make a noticeable difference. But there's a catch. While these studies suggest potential benefits, they come with asterisks. Most research has been small-scale, involving limited participants and controlled conditions. Results can vary greatly depending on the individual, their diet, and their unique health profile. Drinking ACV alone won't work miracles if other lifestyle factors like diet, exercise, and sleep aren't in check. Think of ACV as a potential support, not a cure-all. It's one piece of a much larger puzzle, and it works best when combined with a thoughtful approach to overall health. That brings us to the practical side of things. Drinking ACV comes with its own set of considerations. The high acidity can erode tooth enamel over time, particularly if consumed undiluted. It's always recommended to dilute ACV in water, typically 1 to 2 tablespoons in a large glass of water. Even diluted, using a straw can help minimize contact with your teeth. Some people might find the taste hard to stomach, while others report side effects like upset stomachs or digestive discomfort. Introducing ACV gradually into your routine can help reduce the chances of experiencing these side effects. There's also the question of timing. Many advocates suggest drinking ACV before meals or bedtime, but individual preferences vary. For some, consuming it before a meal feels easier on the stomach, while others find bedtime more convenient. Experimenting with different timings might help you figure out what works best for you. On a brighter note, the potential benefits extend beyond blood sugar. ACV has been associated with aiding weight loss, improving digestion, and even supporting heart health. Its ability to potentially increase feelings of fullness could help with appetite control, making it a popular addition to diets focused on portion control. Some research even hints that ACV may positively impact cholesterol levels and triglycerides, contributing to better cardiovascular health. Again, these effects are subtle and should be seen as complementary to a balanced lifestyle rather than a shortcut. The versatility of ACV in supporting digestion is another aspect worth exploring. Many people turn to ACV as a natural remedy for bloating or indigestion, and while the evidence here is more anecdotal, there's some logic behind it. The acetic acid might help improve stomach acid levels, aiding in the breakdown of food. For those struggling with sluggish digestion or occasional heartburn, ACV could act as a gentle nudge to the system. It's worth mentioning that ACV isn't suitable for everyone. People taking certain medications, such as insulin or diuretics, should exercise caution, as ACV could amplify their effects and cause complications like low potassium levels. Pregnant individuals or those with sensitive stomachs might also want to tread carefully. If you have a chronic health condition or are on medication, it's always a good idea to check with your healthcare provider before making ACV a daily habit. Now, here's where things get exciting. Recent research is diving deeper into the long-term effects of ACV on metabolic health, opening the door to intriguing possibilities. Some scientists are exploring how regular consumption of ACV might influence gut microbiota, an area increasingly linked to glucose regulation and overall health. A healthy gut can play a role in everything from reducing inflammation to improving insulin sensitivity. While these studies are still in their infancy, they hint at the potential for ACV to be part of a broader strategy for metabolic wellness. This emerging area of research suggests that ACV's effects might extend beyond blood sugar, potentially influencing how the entire body processes and stores energy. The real gem lies in the idea that blood sugar management isn't just about a single ingredient or supplement. It's about how the choices you make every day, like what you eat, how you move, and even how you think, work together to support your body. ACV might be a piece of the puzzle, but it shines brightest when paired with thoughtful decisions across the board. Imagine it as a gentle nudge toward balance, not a magic wand. Small actions, repeated consistently, can lead to significant improvements in how you feel and function. So, should you drink ACV for perfect blood sugars? The answer depends on your expectations. If you're looking for an effortless fix, you'll likely be disappointed. But if you're ready to use it as a tool in a well-rounded approach to health, it might just surprise you. The science suggests it's worth experimenting with, especially for those willing to embrace the bigger picture of lifestyle changes. And who knows, that little bottle of vinegar in your kitchen might just have a bigger role to play than you thought. With a little curiosity and a willingness to explore, you could unlock benefits that extend far beyond what's visible on the surface. It's fascinating to think that something so simple could have such wide-reaching implications. While ACV isn't a silver bullet, it holds promise for those committed to long-term health. Whether you're focused on stabilizing blood sugar, supporting digestion, or exploring the role of gut health, ACV offers a unique and accessible way to experiment with natural wellness. The journey to better health often starts with small, intentional steps, and perhaps ACV could be one of them.